upper control arm, 75 Corvette, regular ball bearing press kit. You want the cup that goes over so it'll push out in. Got right size bolt from those other guys, the big box store, because Tractor Supply didn't have them. And drive that. There's the bushing. Still have a sleeve in it. Do the same thing for the other side. Make sure to bottom that bolt out in there so it doesn't hurt the threads. Put the cup on. Take a whack. Bearings out. Torsion bar out, same thing, cup. Sleeve out. Yeah, of course. And it usually comes out quicker than that, but that's upper. Upper's a lot easier than lower. Good luck on the lowers.